In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a missing phone app on your iPhone. Now, if you suddenly can't find the phone app on your home screen, don't panic. This usually happens for one of two reasons. Either the app was removed by mistake or it's hidden because of screen time restrictions. So let's go step by step and fix this issue. First, open settings. Now scroll down and tap on general. Then again scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now select reset. Then tap reset home screen layout. This will restore your home screen layout to default and any hidden or misplaced system app like the phone app will come back automatically. Once the reset is complete, go back to your home screen. You should now see the app back in its original place and working normally. If the phone app is still missing, do this. Open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on screen time. Then again scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions, and now make sure this option is disabled. After doing this, go back to your home screen and check if the phone app has reappeared. If this video helped you, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.